Hi, in this video I will show you how to create such a container in Autodesk Fusion 360. Create a new project and start by creating a rectangle sketch. Select Create Sketch, then select XY plane and select Drawing a rectangle and Create Rectangle. Then select Sketch Dimension and dimension the rectangle. This edge is 100 mm and this edge is 50 mm. Click Finish Sketch to exit the sketch and add the extrude operation. Add a 50 mm sketch extrude and OK. Then select this edge and select the chamfer operation and add a chamfer of 30 mm. You can enter the chamfer size in this field, and when you enter 30 mm, a chamfer will be added. Click Enter to confirm. Then select the shell operation to create a thin walled solid on the basis of this solid, and select the walls that will be removed and specify the thickness of the wall. You can do this using this arrow, or you can enter the thickness of the wall in this place or in this place and enter 2 mm as the thickness of the wall and click OK. Then let's create these holes. Select this face and select Create Sketch to create a sketch on this wall. Select Drawing a Circle. Select the center point of the circle and don't click the left mouse button to specify the second point of the circle. Just enter 4 mm here, enter, and then select Drawing a Circle and draw a second circle. And as in the case of the first circle, don't click the left mouse button to specify the second point of the circle, just enter 8 mm and enter. OK, then draw 2 lines, more or less like this. OK, click Escape to cancel the drawing of the line, and now we will connect these lines with these circles. I would like these ends of the line to lie on this circle and these ends of the line to lie on this circle. Therefore, at the beginning, let's select the coincident constraint, select this point and circle and this point and circle. Now select this point and this circle and this point and this circle. Then select the horizontal vertical constraint and select the center of this circle and the center of this circle. Now select the tangent constraint and select this line and circle and this line and circle. Then select the horizontal vertical constraint again and select this line and this line. And now select the trim command to cut these fragments of circles. Then select Sketch Dimension and select this point and enter 10 mm here. OK. Then select this point and this edge and enter 20 mm here. And select this point and this edge and enter 30 mm here. OK, we have a sketch on the basis of which we will make one hole. Click Finish Sketch to finish sketching. And to make a hole on the basis of this sketch, select the extrude operation. Select the sketch we created. Next, as extend type, select to object. And select this wall to make a cutout of this sketch to this wall. And click OK to confirm. And now, using the mirror operation, we will create this hole on the other side of the solid. But for this we will need an additional plane that passes through the center of the solid. And we can easily create such a plane. All you have to do is with the Ctrl key select these two walls. Then from the construct menu select midplane, and such a plane has already been created, and click OK. And now from the create menu select the mirror operation. And as an object type select features. Then it is active selecting objects to mirror feature. In the history of operations, select the operation on the basis of which we made this hole. This is the operation. Click here to activate the mirror plane selection, and as a mirror plane, select this plane and click OK to confirm. The construction plane is visible, but we can easily turn off the visibility of this plane. If you have several planes, you can turn off the visibility of all planes by clicking this symbol, or you can expand this tab, and here you can turn off the visibility of a specific plane. Now we will create a text on this wall, select this face and select Create Sketch. Then from the Create menu select Text. Now you need to specify the field in which the text will be entered. I will do it in such a way that I will put the first corner of this field in this place, and I will put the second corner of this field in which the text will be entered in this place. And as a text, enter Fusion 360. Select this icon to make the text thicker and place the text in the middle of this field. Click OK to accept and click Finish Sketch to exit the sketch. And now based on this sketch we can create convex or concave text. Select the extrude operation. Here the entire model wall has been selected, so click this button to deselect it and select the text. And now, depending on whether you want to add convex or concave text, specify the length of the extrusion. If the extrusion is specified as a positive value, the text will be convex, but if you enter a negative value here, the text will be concave. Click OK to confirm, and in this simple way we created a pretty cool container. And that's all for today, thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel.